Testing. It's your boy Kicks. I know you guys never see me, but you can see me today. Honestly, the reason why I don't vlog and show my face and stuff, I'm just not a vlogger. That's not my style of recording. Like, I'm not into the whole vlog thing. I'd rather just give you guys like my perspective, my point of view. I feel like it's way cooler like that. What I decided to do, since I'm staying in Vegas for extra 2 days after the Elite Tuner show, sitting here thinking, damn, it would be really sick if I rented a Lambo. When videos last forever, the driving experience would be super dope. I made an appointment for 6:30, so I'm gonna go pick it up 6:30, and I'll have it until tomorrow 6:30. I'm gonna charge my camera up a little bit so I can get some footage on this. Don't want to miss out on footage on that. And yeah, we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna go pick it up, man. We're gonna have some fun. Can't wait.
Driven a Huracan?
I've never driven a Lambo, man. This is my first time ever.
So real quick, we'll just do a walk around, see if you see any scratches, dents, anything like that. Mark them down for you.
So sick.
Yeah, you're actually it kind of works out well for you because this one's actually the all-wheel drive.
Ah.
So it's the 610, not the 580.
Nice.
Yeah.
I like all-wheel drive.
You have no idea. This bonnet, $30,000 upgrade.
There's this guy I follow on Snapchat. He just bought a new Aventador.
Yeah.
And all this is carbon, and he paid extra for it. I'm like, Jesus Christ, it is everything carbon.
Yeah, the new El Performantes.
So sick.
Those are nuts. Alright. So, just like any of the modern exotics, right? Push to start. So as long as you got the key in the vehicle, all you gotta do, flip up on the red toggle, foot on brake, push start. Alright. And then this is actually the lift assist. So this is the hydraulic lift on the car. Right? So you just pull that towards you, it'll raise the front and the back of the car about 3 inches. Right? Makes a big difference in like near valet. Other than that, you got 3 modes you can drive in. Strato's your street mode. Right? A little better traction control, a little easier on the engine. Hop on the freeway, going over 60, you can throw in sport. You can hear it, it's gonna rev louder, get better performance out of the engine, right? And then Corsa is your race mode, right? That's gonna be, it's gonna turn off the traction control, dedicated manual, so you have to use the paddle shifters, right?
This is sick. So sick.
Alright, my man.
This is fucking sick. Oh my god, I'm wet right now. I have this shit for 24 hours, bro. Oh, this is so sick. I don't even know where to go. Fuck. I'm just happy just sitting here. But honestly, right now, I'm gonna tell you that these seats are not comfortable. They're hard as shit. So for the price, I'm glad I rented this shit. I don't even know if I'd buy this. I put some prom seats in it. Ah, guys, I want to record for you guys, but I just want to enjoy this shit. Oh my god. This transmission is amazing. This thing shifts so nice. So I'm gonna go to Cane's Chicken, and yes, I picked the farthest one. I'm driving the out of this car. This is sick, man. Goals to be able to afford shit like this, man. You guys always ask me what I do for a living. What the hell do people that can afford this shit do for a living? Sheesh. The maintenance alone is like my whole build. Goals. One day I'll be rich. sounds so good. I just want to top this shit out, bro. Where the tunnel is at, though. This thing sounds so good, though. I can imagine having this shit with like full exhaust. A dome, dog? Fuck, I want to race somebody. Who needs that? I want to run into something. Alright guys, so I've been driving the Lambo for about like 3-4 hours and my back is killing me. Oh, these seats are so uncomfortable for long drives. Like, I'm dying right now. Like, it's so bad, like, I need to stop and just get out and, I don't know. I feel like taking it out later, but I kind of think I'm gonna get up early in the morning and go for a nice drive to the mountains or something, so, I don't know. I'm tired though. But this shit's sick. You already know. Had to valet it. What's up, guys? I'm here, day 2 with the Lambo. I'm just gonna go for a drive. The weather's kind of shitty today, though. Last few days has been windy and kind of cold. What's up, guys? I'm gonna use the GoPro a little bit just because I have battery and a charger. So I'm taking the cruise up to the Red Rock Mountains over here in Nevada. It's like 30 minutes from the strip, not too far. Let me know what you guys think of this super view though. I actually got a new GoPro. I'm on the Hero 5 Black. It's not like too much different, but there's a lot of dope things. There's a lot of dope little things. Let me know what you guys think of the super view though. Sick. So the Red Rocks out here in Nevada. I've been here before. This is actually I came here last year with some Z fam, and my slave took a shit like right before this place closed, and I was stuck, and they didn't know that I was stuck. So it was like pitch black. I'm way deep in the middle, like way out there somewhere, and like I was just done. Like my clutch didn't work. It was all bad. So yeah, that was crazy. I thought I was gonna die. That shit was scary. Like it was pitch black. But fresh kicks live to see another day. Get my motherfucking money worth. We're gonna get launch boys right here. Get some clear footage before the damn thing turns off. So sick. God, that thing looks so bad. Just that front end is like amazing. This shit looks so sick. So aggressive. Out here. choose this view. I'm holding the GoPro though. Just the seating position in this car is like really high kinda, so when it's on my head, I don't know, it looks kind of stupid, but this view looks sick. Well guys, final moments with the Lambo is about to be up. It's been real. I'm gonna try to enjoy this last hour with this sick ass car. That would never get old though. It's pretty sick. Gas fools. The red one's hard too. It was fun. I beat the shit out of it. Got my use. It's pretty much gonna be a wrap, guys. Definitely a dope experience. I feel like at least do it once. So I'm back in my my Evo dog. Wow, this car is so much more comfortable than that Lambo. Comfort in that car, I'm gonna have to rate it 0. It is all bad, but it's still dope to drive. It makes up for it. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. Throw something in the comments. Maybe I'll rent another car one day. Something else, maybe a Ferrari or something. Have you guys rock with me so you can see what it'd be like. But go ahead and throw a thumbs up on this video. I mean, everybody has to like it. It's pretty dope. Fresh Kicks out.